Good morning. You may sit down.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Did you prepare for our recitation today?
Yes, Ma'am.
God damn it! In my class, I expect everybody to be prepared every time, all the time. I don't care if you're not prepared or not. I will go through our graded recitation right now, whether you like it or not. Mrs. Minsan Miguel. Give me an example of a complex sentence.
My mother is cooking and singing.
Wrong! Very wrong! For God's sake, quiet there, Miss Peniquito! Miss San Miguel, I will really blank you if you do not study more harder. You understand?
Yes, Ma'am.
Miss Peniquito, complex sentence, please.
My father is my grandfather, and my grandfather is my father.
Puta ka! Putang ina! Peniquito! San Miguel! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! You're so hard-headed! Ay, my head!
Mama, ang ganda ng tattoo niyo ah!
Oh, I'm exposed! Ay! Bastos! Talaga! Bastos!
Ako lang po yung best friend niya kasi ako lang po yung nakakaintindi ng kawirduhan niya.
Anong ibig mong sabihin?
Lita! Lita! Putsagis ka! Ba't mo ako pinagtataguan, ha? Nasaan ka? Masama akong magalit, ha? Huwag mo akong gagalitin. Nasaan ka ba, ha? Putsagis kang bata ka! Walang yaka! Nandiyan ka lang pala! Pinahirapan mo pa ako! Halika dito, damuhong bata ka! Aba, pumapalik ka na ngayon, ha? Malilintikan ka sa akin, ha? Uy, Rita! Si Oka yun, oh. Oka!
Ay nako, sige ka, umalembo ka pa dyan, palubog na ang araw, pagagalitan ka na naman ng amang mo. Hindi ka na nga!